going to be doing a I'm going to refilm my classic Harley Quinn makeup tutorial because I feel like my last one is no good. Like, I feel like it can be better. So we're gonna re-attempt it today. So I'm going to go ahead and start and put my hair up. Okay. Alright, that didn't really help me at all. Oh, look at that. Cool. If that isn't Harley Quinn, I don't know what is. First, I'm going to put some concealer under my eyes. And I'm just gonna blend that in. Now the white face paint I'm using is this. I try to put it on as evenly as possible. Setting powder. This is the one I use. Okay. So the idea is that you want to be able to touch your face and not have it feel sticky at all anywhere. So as you can see, I'm touching my face and like nothing is coming off on my hand. Yeah, if it feels sticky, just add more powder. Want that shit to last, you know what I'm saying. Maybelline Color Tattoo pigment, like it's like a powder, pigment powder or something like that. I'm going to get a brush and I am just going to tap it on my eye. Ooh, that's really pigmented there. And then I'm going to blend up to the crease. So, now that that's done, and I'm gonna line my whole eye with a pencil liner. Next, I'm going to get Wet n Wild liquid liner, and I'm going to create a big cat wing, a big dramatic cat wing. So that's all we're gonna do for the eyeliner and eyeshadow. So I put some chapstick on my lips. And then I'm going to put mascara on. This is the mascara I used, Max Volume by, what is that? Wet n Wild? Max Volume Plus. That's what it is. You can use false lashes here as well, but I don't have any and I don't like wearing them, so I'm just going to do the mascara and curl my eyelashes a lot. And we're also going to put mascara on the bottom lashes as well. Next, I've started doing this more recently with my classic Harley cosplay, and basically I'm going to use blush as a contour on my cheeks. I don't know what brand it is or anything, but it's just like this two-tone kind of blush. Put it on, basically. So again, I'm like using it as like a contour. So I also like to put a little bit on my nose. So the lipstick I have is Liquid Catsuit in black. So that's pretty much it. Lastly, I am going to put my mask on and my cowl on. I forgot to put it on before I started my makeup. So you know what? I'm not gonna put the cowl on like I wanted to. But I do have my wig. So there's our Harley Quinn, classic Harley Quinn makeup look. Sorry, I totally forgot on the cowl. I don't know how I did that. But it has been a while since I've put on Harley, so I'm gonna give myself a little credit there.